Well, my surgery was in 2016. So my relationship was fine up until then. I won't say fine. We were more sexually active. It wasn't like 5, 6 times a week, but we were more sexually active leading up to having the fibroid surgery 2 times. Um, it started slowing down around that time because there was a lot of discomfort, pressure in the pelvis, dryness in the vag. And then after the surgery, it was almost like a complete halt for me. My love would walk around and he would tell my children, well, mom haven't given me any in about 12 months. So he would justify his behavior and mood because mom hasn't given him any in 12 months. Now, it hadn't been that long, but that was his saying. It was from 6 months to 12 months, depending on the day. And I know that's what it felt like for him. And for me, it felt like it was yesterday.
Right.
And it felt like I don't need to, because I was always like anticipating the discomfort, right? Just the thought of getting I was like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see me. I don't want to feel anything because the pain was so unbearable in my after the hysterectomy.
Right.
So yes, we went from absolutely like almost non-existent